Hello and welcome. In this video we discuss the major currency pair gold and oil technical analysis for today and discuss the intraday trading range. So now first of all take a look at the GBPUSD currency pair. As in front of you that we are trading on the support and resistance level and only one strategy in the trending market scenario. So now in the previous session you look at the GBPUSD currency pair as the market broke this neckline and trade below that area and going downward and downward in the upcoming days you can say unless the market is holding below the 1.20 level. In the previous days we are suggesting that if the market break the 1.2052 level and hold below that area, it will go in the further selling direction and the market continuously going in the bearish direction. But if you are the buyer, then obviously you wait for the proper support level. So what happened for the sellers? Sellers have ability to trade the sell entry from 1.1857 when the market retraces in the upside direction. Then they take the sell entry, and if the market will go toward the 1.1950 level or 70 level, then there is almost a beautiful sell opportunity. But the scenario look like that if we draw the Fibonacci retracement on this, you can say double top pattern, then the result are that our next you can say take profit limit is at 1.16 level. So I think in the upcoming days it will continuously going in the bearish direction and our next target is 1.1600. So now let's discuss other currency pair. Other currency pair is Euro USD currency pair, as the Euro USD currency pair is trading inside this H4 trend channel and make a pullback from this 1.0360 level as the trend line resistance level and continuously going in the selling direction. Now what happened for the next trading hours? The next thing is very clear that market have ability and the levels are clear in front of you. Today market have chance that it make a pullback, but overall pullback is only 30-40 pips in the upside direction may be possible, but overall it will go in the further selling direction toward the next support level of you can say 0.9965 level. That is almost you can say 70 or 70 pip further in the selling direction to test that previous support level. And how the market react on that support level, maybe it form a double bottom pattern, but it's almost that how the market react from this double bottom pattern. Now take a look at the other currency pair, and that is USDJPY. As all of you guys noticed that USDJPY currency pair is trading in the upside direction very strongly, and market is going higher high. This is the bigger picture in front of you that market is making a pull up from the this Elliott level 131.50 level, and in the previous days market make a strong hold at 133.0 level, then market make a higher high, and the entrance from this trend is 134.50 breakout. Market make a breakout and test that level, and in the previous session we are suggesting that our next target is 136.30, but market also hold above that. So the trend for today is that unless the market is holding above the 136.30, the market have ability to go in the further bullish direction toward the 139.3 you can say 30 level. The suitable entries are buying entries for today, and if the market take a pullback to 136.30, then this is the perfect for buyers to hold their trades up to 139.27 level. So hopefully you guys understand the USDJPY currency pair situation. Now take a look at the you can say USDCAD currency pair. As USDCAD currency pair is going in the upside direction very strongly, this is the scenario we are drawing, and you also draw this type of scenario. These are the support and resistance level. In the previous days, market is trading above the 1.2874 level, and we are suggesting that unless the market is upside the trading above the EMA 50, the EMA 50 continuously pushing the price toward the next level. Our suggestion for today, unless the market is holding above the 1.2950 level, it have ability to go toward the 1.3058 level today, because the oil market is bearish, so this pair is continuously going in the upside direction. Now take a look at the crude oil market. As all of you guys notice that crude oil market is continuously moving in the upside direction in the previous days. This is the bigger picture in front of you, that market is trading outside this H4 trend channel now. But how the market react today? So my suggestion is that market is overall trading outside this trend channel, and but overall holding above the 89.50 you can say level, and this is almost you can say neckline. But I suggest that that market is hovering around the EMA 50, and EMA 50 is continuously pushing the price bearishly. So that's why I suggest that you will take the sell opportunity on the crude oil market. That is a better option if the market go below the 89.50 level, and as a scalper your target must be at 87 level. Overall the you can say crude oil market is bearish, and the original target for crude oil is 85, and next target is 82 level. So the situation is overall bearish for the crude oil market unless the market is holding below the you can say 90.74 level. So now take a look at the gold market. As the gold market is trading in front of you, that gold market break below the 1756 level and continuously holding below the 1756 level. If you look at the H1 time frame, in the previous days market make some pullback from 1748 and test the 1756 level, and continuously going in the selling direction, and EMA 50 is continuously pushing the price downward. If you are buyer, I suggest you, unless the market cannot make any H4 candle above the 1756 area, you cannot take any buying opportunity. And unless market is holding below the 1756 area, this sluggish slow movement push the price toward the 1727 level very easily in the upcoming days. So hopefully you guys understand the situation of each and every currency pair and support and resistance levels mentioned on the charts according to the Fibonacci levels. So you can trade on these levels as a scalping and breakout entry. So hopefully you guys understand. Subscribe for our channel for continuous updates. Thanks for watching.